Hey everyone, Steve here with Build Hero. In this short nuts and bolts series video, I want to go ahead and just show you how we at Tyler Home LLC, which is our construction company, utilize Build Hero and why we kind of really created it to work for other contractors, suppliers, and subs, as well as customers. So let me go ahead and just show you around real quick. First, if you haven't used Build Hero before, we are already logged into our homepage. So this is what it looks like. You can see that I have our logo up top already here, which is some stuff that you can customize on a profile. There is this clock in and add expense feature that's fairly simple to use. So you just select the bid, add name and amount, and it clocks that bid for you. The clock in is very similar as well. You can see here's my logo, my profile picture, and if you hover over, it tells you who I am. Anything that you pretty much hover over and Build Here will pull up tool tips for you or for the customer and kind of show them what to do or to let you know what it is. So let's go ahead and dive into projects. So I'll click the projects page here and it'll upload my projects homepage for me. So you can see I do have quite a bit. I'm not going to keep scrolling down because projects, if the notes aren't hidden here, which you can toggle easily back and forth, it'll show you the customer's contact information. So I don't really want to show you my customer's contact information. I'm going to go ahead and keep that as private as I can. So you can see I'm going to look at this Robert Garland project here. I just show it's mine project. There is one bid and it was created at this time period. The reason that it says the project is mine is because I created it on behalf of the customer. Build Hero does allow customers to create projects and invite contractors to them. So essentially they could get additional bids if they wanted to. Anyway, so I went ahead and created the project for him. I, again, can toggle the notes on and off. So I had this one started with the idea folder. My customer actually created this vanity folder here and uploaded vanity pictures of some ideas of what they're looking for. Besides that, they did also create this vanity top folder, which is really simple to do to add stuff. You can click here and add as many folders, attachments, tasks, items like that throughout. So I did that too, and then shower tile ideas as well. So all that stuff they kind of threw in kind of gave me a great idea of what they're looking for as far as ideas go. Existing pictures, these are things that I took on site when I went out. So you can actually see my iPad that I rock around with when I'm doing my stuff. So that way I have references for myself or for my subs or suppliers so they know what's going on. Sometimes I create this customer approved items. I've really noticed that doesn't really get utilized very often, whether it's our customers or myself. We just tend not to move stuff there. So really, I'll probably just delete it. So there, it's gone. So you can see my bid here. Also, you have this discussion piece. So the discussion piece does populate anytime a bid is approved or a change order is approved, as well if an invoice gets made or anything like that. Everything gets communicated in this main discussion piece. It's meant to keep everything as much as possible in one spot. You can see who's in here. So myself, our customer, and my business partner are all in here. You can add people in here very easily. So that's not a problem at all. And then besides that, let's just jump into the bid real quick. Excuse me. So we're in the bid right now. It is currently published. If I want to make changes, I need to unpublish the bid. So you can see I did have notes here that I hid. It doesn't have my customer's contact info here because it would be underneath the project, not the bid. It just has our information on the bid itself of what I wanted. That could be easily edited when you click these drop downs. There's edit portions throughout. So how the bid's broken up, I have it broken up into folders. So I have my demo with my demo items, which have been approved. So I can see my demo portion is this amount. My shower items So you can see all that. Shower items are this amount. You can see that there are these dotted items underneath different areas. So that means that if you hover over it, it gives you this here, which is a formula I keyed in. So this has a tile material allowance of $3 a square foot times the square footage, plus the installation, grout, mastic, and hardy board at this price a square foot times that square footage. So you can be as detailed as you want to be or not. It's really kind of up to you. Build Hero is really meant to be utilized the way that you need it to for your business. I'm just kind of giving you ideas of what we do. So here's some picture examples that we had in there. Here's an item that was toggled off before it was approved. So customers can turn things on or off. If for whatever reason I want to turn it back on, or I'm sorry, if the customer wanted to turn it back on, they can. They cannot do that to items that are approved. They're locked in place once approved. So if we actually scroll to the bottom here, we could see that we now have a published and approved difference. So the published difference is this amount, the approved is this amount. So it would be for that item that I toggled on. So I'm going to go ahead and toggle it off real quick. That way I don't forget. Create some confusion would be fun. As we continue to go down, there's another discussion piece here that our customer created because they want to discuss specific items. You can do that. Over here, I do have a couple different expenses that are tracked. Both are keyed in by me on this project so far. They're materials that we're ordering. I don't have anybody clocked into the job yet because we haven't started working on it yet. The last thing I'll show you real quick, I'm going to go ahead and jump over to my profile view. And the reason I'm going to show you this is you can see I have two different team members clocked in right now. So I want to go ahead and see where one's located. I can click that green clock in feature and I can get a Google map pulled up, which will pull this up in our mobile app as well. So anything that you are seeing me do right now would be utilized the exact same way in our mobile app. So this is kind of just how we use it again at Tyler Home, how we utilize Build Hero. I am happy to help you get started, to get Build Hero up to speed for your business and to help you get that working better for you. Like I said, Build Hero is built for contractors by contractors. We take that feedback we get from people and continue to make our tool and software better for everyone. If you have any questions or want help to get started, go ahead and feel free to email me at steve@buildhero.io.